What is your succulent plant on pot's condition after 10 consecutive days of rain and 3 months of freezing weather? How do you care for them and what preventive maintenance do you apply? Hi, this is Forlitz and welcome to my channel. This channel is anything related to arts and architecture. In this video, I will show you how I clean up and organize my succulent plants in pots. My collection of succulent needs a TLC because they have been neglected for a while due to a severe weather. For the last 3 months, we experienced snow, cold, rain, and windy weather in California, and now finally, the sun is shining, and I will take advantage to clean and stage them on my garden trellis as we progress. It will likely take me days to finish all my pot succulents, and I'm still determining how many I can finish for today. So I will probably have a series of cleaning and organizing. After windy and rainy days, leaves or other debris may find a way into the dead center of leaf axis. These debris can hold moisture and rot your plant, so cleaning up succulent plants is essential. So how are we gonna do that? Number 1, inspect, identify, and remove rotten leaves and stems. The sooner you identify and remove rotten leaves and stems, the better. Rot usually starts and spreads until the whole plant is taken over. Identifying rotting leaves and stem is pretty easy. If a leaf is loose, pull it out using your hands. If a stem is softer than the other parts of the stem, cut the rotting stem off until you get to the healthy part. Number 2, dump out any standing water in succulent containers. If you have containers with standing water, tip them over to remove the excess water. Fortunately, I do not have standing water in my containers. Leaving standing water in containers causes root rot and is an open invitation to mosquitoes and itchy mosquito bites. The most common pests are scale, mealybugs, and mealyroot bugs. So how do I get rid of little bugs on my succulents? 75% rubbing alcohol, 25% water is the cheapest yet most effective method against aphids, mealybugs, and spider mites. Spray the succulents thoroughly and leave them there. You will notice the bugs turning brown, meaning they are dead. Number 3, remove debris from succulent leaves. These debris can hold, moisture and rot your plant. Identify debris and use paintbrush to remove the debris delicately. Number 4, remove black, juicy succulent leaves. These are rotting leaves. Rotting loves company. Throw them out right away. And number 5, give each plant a light tug. Slightly tug on your succulents at the base of the plant. If it comes out easily, inspect the base. If you notice any black, yellow, or brown discoloration, you may want to remove that or a section of the discolored plant. So I cleaned about 8 pots of succulents today, and some of them I reset and some I have to replant. I have lots of cut succulent that I can replant in a different pots. That's a good thing. So right now it is cold, so I have to stop for the day. For the next 3 days, it's still gonna be sunny, so I will take this opportunity. I will continue my planting tomorrow. So I hope you guys like my video today, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel. This is Forlitz Sky Arts and Architecture. This channel is anything related about gardening, architecture, DIY, and oil painting. So I hope to see you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.